welcome. Well, today we're looking at the Dewalt 20-volt lithium-ion cordless trimmer. So all you got to do is you just take your bump feed there, grab onto this part here, you look through that hole there, and spin this until you can see light. Just like that. You can see light right through there, through to the other side. Okay? And you just want to take 10, 12, 15 feet of line, take one end, feed it through until it comes out the other side. And you just want to take it, line both ends up, grab them, give it a pull. Now your line is evenly through on both sides. Grab that right here again, push in and twist. Keep twisting. That's just winding it. Push and twist. Until you get to the end. You want to cut it right at this metal guide. I'm going to use my little snips here. And there you go. You're set. It folds for easy storage. Great feature. Alright, well, I hope it helped. Thanks for watching.